At the end of the 8th century, Yutro Yundan Gongbu, the Elder, an eminent Sowa Rigpa physician, based on over 2,000 years knowledge accumulation, further absorbing the nutrient of other medical traditions, and compiled the first draft of Four Tantra. In the 12th century, Yutro Yundan Gongbu, the Younger, had further complemented and accomplished the current form of the Four Tantra, which became the key Tibetan medical textbook. The birth of Four Tantra means the systemization of Sowa Rigpa. After 12th century, it had spread to a number of regions and countries over the Himalaya region in Tibetan language. Further diffusion to Mongolia had been made along with Tibetan cultural spreading in 13th century. In the beginning of the 20th century, it had propagated to Russia, which allowed a great contribution for the healthcare service to the above countries. Between 14th and 15th centuries, two major schools of Sowa Rigpa, the Zur and Chang, had emerged due to the differences in the identification of medicinal ingredients recorded in the Four Tantra and the differences in the treatment features of conventional diseases in different regions. Extensive medical works had been written by scholars from both schools, enabling for Sowa Rigpa to enter a highly developed period. Based on the understanding in the features of 5 elements, earth, water, fire, air, and space, and the interconnection between them, it discovered and concluded that the internal and external mechanism for the occurrence and development of diseases depends on the rise and fall of the level of 3 dynamics, Lung, Tripa, and Bepan. When they balance, the body enjoys the health, whilst the balance lost, the diseases set in. Sowa Rigpa mainly uses viewing, questioning, and touching as 3 key diagnostic approaches, while diet, behavior, medicine, and external therapy as 4 treatment methods. Physical and mental health is achieved through the equilibrium of the 3 dynamics described above. The holistic view of Sowa Rigpa is based on the understanding of the relationship between mind and body, human and the universe. The concept of balance taking account not only into mind-body balance, it also covers the peace of the human society and the harmonious coexistence between man and universe. The cosmological holistic view revealed the origin of life, causation of diseases, even evolutionary patterns experienced over the process of the incubation of life. The example can be given as the latter cases is as explained in Four Tantra and its commentaries, in which the embryology is exemplified as fish, turtle, and pig, which figuratively illustrated the analogy to the nature-life evolutionary process from water animal, amphibian, and land animals. In the long-term historical and theoretical perfecting process, Sowa Rigpa had formed a unique evidence-based system, the empiricism and inner appreciation research methods, to understand the transformation pattern between health and disease, the evaluations for the efficacy over different types of therapies. The effectiveness and safety of various kinds of therapies have been evident through the 1,000 years of clinical practice.